30 to 40 minutes in the morning and in the night can change the rest of your life. What do I mean by that? Is the theme of my video today. Welcome back to my channel. Be you, be happy. I am Pujita Singh, a certified life coach, NLP coach, and an author. What I want to cover with all my lovely viewers and people who landed on my video here is a trick or a simple hack. Gonna be very uncomfortable, gonna be very practical, but you got to work on it to make it happen. Alright? So just 30 to 40 minutes in the morning and 30 to 40 minutes before you sleep is gonna change and make an ideal life or the life that you truly desire. The first and the foremost thing that you have to do the moment you get up in the morning, first thing to remember is before you sleep, one day before, or rather one night before, please ensure your phone is not next to you. Okay? Why do I say this? Is what is coming up now. So keep your phone aside when you sleep. Of course, it has health benefits, and secondly, you will not touch your phone first thing in the morning. So when you get up first thing in the morning, the first thing that I want you to do, even before you see anyone, meet anyone, talk to anyone, or have a conversation, in the phase that you are, in the alpha phase that you are gonna close your eyes and visualize the life that you want. Do not operate from the thought of how it will happen. Just ask what you want, okay? How you desire your life to be, what you wish your future to be like or the current to be like. You are gonna visualize in your head what you want in life, not how you will get there. How part is not your job, it's the part of the divine or in whatever you believe in. So the first thing to remember first thing in the morning is what you want in life, and you will start visualizing for 10 minutes. It's gonna be uncomfortable. It's not gonna get there first place initially in a perfect way, and it's never gonna be perfect. But all you need to do is start doing every single day. First thing in the morning, when you get up, no answering the calls, no checking the phone, no talking to anyone, no going back and starting your day. You have to first give first 10 minutes or 7 to 10 minutes only visualizing the life you want, not how you want, what you want. Number one. Number two, the moment you're done with visualizing, you will start scripting. What do I mean by scripting? You will just start writing what you visualized. Just keep on writing. Whatever comes to you, how much ever comes to you, to the extent it comes to you, just keep on scribbling or scripting. That's number two. And number three, express gratitude for what you have today. Okay? So just be thankful for what you have today. Finish off verbally in your mind, or you want to write it, you write it, but you want to think of it. But finish off expressing your gratitude for what you have. Do this small practice first thing in the morning when you get up, and the last thing before you sleep. Repeat this for next 7 to 11 days. Let me tell you, if you focus from what you want rather than how you want, and you keep doing this for the next 66 days or 45 days, just start off with at least 7 to 11 days, right? And see the miracle that you will start manifesting in your life. It's a very simple hack. It's a known hack. A lot of videos and information is out there, but people just don't do it, right? First thing in the morning, you just go, whatever takes your attention, you just start going there. And the bad thing is because your phone is lying next to you. So first thing in the morning, visualizing, scripting or writing, and then expressing your gratitude. And if you have your morning routine like exercises or having a proper routine of your morning, go ahead and do that. But if you don't have anything today and you just run your day as the day calls you for, stop that from today onwards. So from tomorrow onwards or from tonight onwards, start doing this very clearly. Do these three things. Keep away how part from your life and start asking what you want and let the magic begin. I hope you found this video useful. Go back and share with people whom you think will help them, and you will come back and thank me for more. Let me know in comment section if you're practicing, how is it going, and if you have any challenges, let me know and I can help you better. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for listening to me patiently as always and watching my videos with so much love and attention. Until then, love you loads. Bye bye.